Today we're touring two homes on the same property in the heart of Austin. Located in the North University area, these homes are north of the UT campus and south of Hyde Park. These homes can be both purchased at the same time or purchased separately. At the time of me posting this video, the front home is priced at $1,500,000 and the back home is priced at $745,000. Special thanks to Tim Andrew with One Source Austin for allowing me to capture these homes on video. The front home has 2,340 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The primary bedroom is on the main floor with vaulted ceilings, dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a large walk-in closet, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But first, let's take a look at this downstairs open area, living, kitchen, dining. The kitchen has quartz countertops with a waterfall edge island and high-end cafe stainless steel appliances. It's got the 8-burner gas range, the dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave, and self-cleaning oven. The kitchen flows directly into the dining and living areas, which features hardwood floors, and I love the color of these floors. It just goes so great with the black that you see all over the house. Also, I love the custom steel doors. You see that in the back room, you see it on the side entrances, you see it on the front. They have them throughout the home. Just off the kitchen, towards the backyard, is a flex space. It's staged as an office, but it could be used however you wanted to use it. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, laundry, a flexible bonus room that can be used as a media room, office, or guest space. I'll be back in just a moment to tell you more, but for right now, enjoy this, and in just a moment, we'll see the backyard and the second home. Outside, the backyard is fenced and fully landscaped, and you've got the pool, perfect for summers in Austin. In fact, Austin pool season is about 10 months long. People swim throughout the year. December, January, or maybe January, February are our coldest months, but throughout the year, we have seasonal temperatures that allow for swimming. The whole property is gated with controlled access, giving you privacy and security in this central location. And just behind the front home and the pool, with a private gated entry, is the second home. So let's talk about that. This 2-story condominium-style house offers 960 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. On the main floor, you have a full bath and a full bedroom, and this bedroom has its own private entrance. Upstairs is the primary suite with vaulted ceilings, dual vanities, recessed lighting, and its own private deck. Downstairs, the kitchen has quartz counters, recessed lighting, a pantry, and stainless steel appliances. The living area opens up to the kitchen and dining space, making it an efficient layout. The laundry room is located at the very top of the stairs. I'll stop talking now so you can enjoy this home, but I'll be right back. Okay, now let's talk about location. I mentioned it earlier, but this location is a major draw for people. Anyone that wants to live central or work central needs to consider this area. You're just north of the University of Texas campus, walking distance or a quick bike ride. That means access to all the university events, culture venues, libraries, and sports. Pease Park is just a few blocks away, which is a favorite spot for jogging, walking dogs, or weekend outdoor events. The neighborhood is also close to downtown Austin, about 10 minutes by car, putting you close to restaurants, bars, theaters, and the city's tech and business hubs. Local dining and coffee spots like Food Heads and 34th Street Cafe are within walking distance, giving you plenty of options for casual meals or grabbing coffee. This area has a mix of students, professionals, and families, making it lively but still neighborhood friendly. Whether you're looking for a family home with extra space or combined live and rent opportunity, this property delivers both lifestyle and convenience. As always, if you want to know more information about the front home or the back home or any of these homes that are currently on the market or new construction or any home in the greater Austin area, just send me a text or email and we'll set up a time to chat. I love Austin and I love helping families and individuals relocate. This is what I do. So let's find home. If you're still watching, thank you. Lisa and I love capturing on video some of Austin's great homes to share with individuals like you. I post videos like this one each and every week, So if you want to see more, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Please reach out. And I look forward to seeing you on the next tour.